spin. Rows over. Let's check out what the ditch has got here. This is ice. It's frozen. It's cold. What do you think about the coldness? Still want to go to Colorado?
I still do. So I feel like, I was thinking about this inside. I feel like you...
While you were warm?
I know, but I feel like you personally do not like the cold. But then you also don't like the heat, because if you were to go outside...
I like to be comfortable.
You would be burning like a lobster, or turning into a monster.
No, I don't mind the cold as much as I mind the heat.
I feel like I'm kind of like...
You just have to be prepared to go out there.
Yeah, for sure.
But I mean, it's the same thing with heat.
I think, like right now I'm a little chilly. I feel like the wind is literally cutting through my jacket, which is crazy.
Check out the icicles and stuff. Like, the trees are wet. Well, there's like icicles in the trees. You see that? Like, that's what's reflecting it. Like, the tree is frozen. But it's, I mean, our house is melting. But look, it's melting.
It really is. It's so funny.
You want to start a fire? We don't need to turn it off, just let it burn out. There's wood right here. Yeah, I got wood.
What if I go check out the neighbor's thing?
The what?
The neighbor's lot. Is it frozen?
I'm gonna go inside. Yeah, we never, oh, God!
I got you.
I didn't think you could get me.
Babe, I literally shot you all this time.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, consider liking the video. Leave us feedback in the form of a comment if you have any questions, concerns, complaints, or compliments. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to see more footage like this. Till next time, stay safe.